everyone! Welcome back to Ramz Tutorial Educational Channel. Hello guys! Welcome to our channel Ramz Tutorial Educational. Different topics. Merry Christmas everyone! Today we're going to discuss different topics. And don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so that you're updated in our latest video tutorial. And welcome back again to Ramz Tutorial! Today guys, we're going to discuss about sentence clause structure. In grammar, sentence and clause structure is commonly known as sentence composition. It is the classification of sentences based on the number and kind of clauses and their syntactic structure. We have the following examples of sentence structures. The dog ran. When we see the dog run, this is considered as a simple sentence. Why? Because we talk about only one subject. It talks about dog. Next, the dog ran and he ate popcorn. This is a compound sentence. Why? It's a combination with the dog ran and he ate popcorn. It's two verbs. Okay, two action verbs. It shows about compound sentences or compound sentence. The third it shows about complex sentence. After the dog ran, he ate popcorn. So that's why that is a complex sentence just because of the word after. Next clause, after the dog ran, he ate popcorn and he drank a big soda. It's considered as compound complex sentence. It composed of 2 to 3 sentences. That's why we talk about sentence clause structures. It talks about grammar and how we're going to use sentences and clauses. So remember, when we said sentence, it talks about that it is complete idea or complete thought, whereas a clause, it is not a complete idea. So to complete it, we're going to use different what we call the sentence structures involving different subjects and different verbs. We have types of clauses. Remember, in standard English class, sentences are composed of 5 clause patterns. Are subject plus verb, that is intransitive. Example of subject and plus verb pattern. She runs to the meeting. She is our subject. Runs is our verb, which is intransitive verb. Okay? Next pattern is that subject plus verb plus object. This verb is transitive verb. Example, she runs the meeting. Obviously, our subject here is she, our verbs here is runs, and our object is the meeting. What kind of verb is runs? Transitive verb. Next pattern, subject plus verb plus subject complement. Then adjective and noun, pronoun. Example of this, Abdul is happy. That is a simple sentence. Subject, Abdul, our special verb which is okay, linking verb is, and then happy is our complement. Jin is a person. Okay, so I am here. Okay, that is a pronoun I. Again, subject plus verb, which is linking verb, plus subject complement, and adjective, noun, and pronoun. So remember class, when we say noun, it refers to names of persons, places, things, events. And when you say a pronoun, it is what you call subject pronoun or demonstrative pronoun. Again, our types of clauses. Remember, in standard English, we have 5 clause patterns. Subject plus verb, which is intransitive verb. Subject plus verb, transitive plus object. Subject plus verb, which is represented with linking subject, complement, adjective, noun, and pronoun. subject plus verb transitive plus indirect object plus direct object, which is BDO or IO pattern. Example, she made me a pie. Our subject here is she. Our verb, which is transitive, made. It shows an actions. Our indirect objects, we have made, it's a pie, and direct object. This closed pattern class is a derivative of subject plus verb plus object, which is S plus V plus O. Remember, my dear viewers, when you see it, subject plus verb plus object, this is what you call the pattern. That means also you have to create your own subject, you have to create your own verb, and you have to create your own object. Whether your sentences, it might be a simple sentence, a compound sentence, a compound complex sentence, or compound complex sentence, my dear viewers. Transforming the object of prepositions into an indirect object of the verb, as the example sentence in transformational grammar, is actually she made the pie for me. Okay, again, what is our pattern here? Subject plus verb, which is a transitive verb class, plus indirect object plus direct object. Example again, she made me a pie. So this closed pattern shows about S, V, and O, or subject, verb, object. It transforms the object of a preposition into an indirect object of the verb. Isn't it? Next, subject plus verb transitive plus object, and object complement. Example, they made him happy. They did not make him, or and they did not make happy. They made him happy. The object and its complement form a syntactical unit. Sentences class, which are composed of these clauses in either dependent or independent, it form also have patterns. When we say dependent clause, it can stand by itself, whereas independent clause, it can stand by itself. That is a closed pattern. Okay? And making our own sentences class to make it meaningful. Did you understand, my dear viewers? Please keep on watching, guys. In English sentence structure, my dear viewers, if we discuss about closed structures, we discuss also English sentence structure. This is part of our topic. Remember, the following statements are true about sentences in English. Why? A new sentence begins with a capital letter. Example, he obtained his degree. The word he, the first letter H, which is written in a capital letter or uppercase. A sentence ends with a punctuation, which is a period, a question mark, or an exclamation point. He obtained his degree. I am using here a period. That means to say, it shows that the sentence is already complete, an idea. Next, the sentence contains a subject. That is only given once. He obtained his degree. Instead of using Smith is our subject, which changes pronoun he, because Smith is refers to a boy. Am I right? Okay. If you have any questions, class, don't hesitate to write your comment or suggestions in our comment section below. Next, another sentence structure is that a sentence follows subject plus verb plus object word order. And what is that, teacher Ram? He is our subject. Obtained is the verb. His degree is refers to an object. A sentence class must have a complete idea that stands alone. This is also called an independent clause. Example, my dear viewers, take note of this example. He obtained his degree. The word he class is a subject pronoun involving that it is refers to a boy or refers to a male. That's why we write it in a capital letter or in uppercase. It's showing that the first letter of a sentence, it should be an uppercase. He obtained his degree, and I am using the period, which is a punctuation mark. That shows that our sentence is complete. And that is a sentence structure. Again, what is our pattern? Is VO, or subject plus verb plus object. Remember, my dear viewers, if you are new here to my channel, Ramz Tutorial, educational channel, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell icon so that you're updated on our latest video tutorial. Hope to see you guys, and advance Merry Christmas to all of you. Happy New Year, Happy Holiday. Bye bye. See you next round.